Now, with stocks going through a bear market crash, with inflation rising year after year, and with interest rates creeping up, and a threat of global recession, I thought, let's do an update on the big debate, stocks versus real estate. So in today's video, I want to present a framework to decide if stocks and or real estate is for you so that you can decide on your own which one is best for you. I also want to share what I think is best for investing in your kids. Now, I've been investing in stocks and real estate since my 20s, and well, I've been through a lot of market crashes. Being the worst ones, the tech bubble and the financial crisis. I totally get it. Stocks are volatile beasts, and yet real estate can be a massive pain in the butt when dealing with tenant issues. But I firmly believe if you're striving for financial independence, accelerating your journey to financial freedom, then I truly believe you need to own both stocks and real estate. Now, the percentage of what you have in stocks and what you have in real estate in your portfolio is really up to you. It's really based on your personality and what you're comfortable with. If you're confused which one is for you, stocks versus real estate, well, I'm going to provide a quick, easy peasy framework for you to decide whether stocks or real estate is for you. Now, real estate is more suitable for you if you like owning tangible assets, meaning brick and mortar assets, instead of diluting your ownership. If you like having more control over your assets, if you are scared of volatility, you don't like seeing the ups and downs like the stock market on a day-to-day basis. If you are a people person, yes, real estate investing is a people business, especially if you want to own rental properties or apartment buildings. It is a people business because, well, your tenants are your clients. Also suitable for people who are, let's just say, more emotional or get trigger happy. So what I mean by trigger happy is that if you get scared really quickly and you're likely to sell something like your stocks, probably real estate might be more suitable for you because it's less volatile and it's actually illiquid. So you're probably going to be more careful choosing the right property in the right location, attract the right tenants. You're going to do a lot more due diligence if you want to own rental properties. And the big one is you must have money. Okay, you must have at least thousands of dollars, like 5% down, to own a rental property. It is not for you if you don't have money. It's also better for people if you're wanting or desiring to own a house yourself. Why not start with, hey, adding an income suite and offsetting your mortgage payments? If you're going to own a home, why not try to keep your expenses low and, well, live mortgage free by having house hacking, so letting another person to pay off your mortgage. But let's talk about stocks. Who are they more suitable for? Well, the most obvious one is the barrier entry is so low, so it doesn't take a lot of money. So if you have a very small account, even $25, $10, you can start investing right now. Stock investing is also very suitable for people who are extremely busy and, well, just want to give up control. They have no time to do to deal with tenants, to actively manage another business. They just want it completely hands off, and they're willing and okay to give up control. Stocks are also suitable for people who have tremendous amount of time. I'm talking at least 5 years and don't need the money to live off of. So if you have that time and you can ignore the noise and the fear and certainly doubt and the bad news and accept the volatility and years to ride the cycle, then it might be the best vehicle for you. Also, if you like having liquid assets where you can buy and sell with the click of a button, then definitely stocks would be a better fit for you because real estate is illiquid while stocks are completely liquid. Now, here's what I think is the best if you're looking to invest in your kids. Now, naturally, right now, we have rising interest rates. We have inflation. And, well, that comes with housing prices. I'm sure if you're in Canada, you feel the burden of housing prices. In fact, it's just rising over time in many of the big cities like Ottawa, Vancouver, Toronto, Montreal, Calgary. And you could see, if you fast forward into the future, it's probably very likely the housing prices are going to be a lot more expensive than it is today, which is why I feel that if you have kids, probably the biggest gift you can give them is buying real estate for them. This is something that I'm planning to do, that I'm keeping 2 of my rental properties and giving it to them. Now, whether they deserve it, I have no idea. I hope that they deserve it and they're good kids. Assuming they're good kids, then this is the gift I'm going to give them, because I know that when I was in my early 20s, that was a huge pressure, especially living in Vancouver at that time. Like, how can I afford to buy or own a condo even at that time? And back then, housing prices were a lot lower. So I really feel the pressure of owning a property, especially if you're straight out of school. It could be huge, and I wish that I had someone to help me. So this is something that I think that if you can afford to, and if you are willing to put in the work, owning rental properties is probably going to be the greatest gift and asset for your kids, because in the future, housing prices are probably going to be a lot more expensive. Now, if you're looking to learn how to invest in stocks in probably one of the easiest methods, I have a ultimate guide to dividend growth investing, which is building a lifetime of passive income. It is my 101 guide for you if you're looking to get into stocks. Now, if you're looking to buy your first or next rental property, I have a toolkit for aspiring real estate investors. Check in the links below. Now, if you want to learn more how to invest in real estate and stocks in Canada and earn your way to financial independence, check out these playlists up here. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.